Now, after the column design, we will go for the beam design. So for this, go to RC design and click provided reinforcement. Click on new beam or go to a structure and click on this beam. Okay, and click on this. Okay, so this is my beam and this geometry is this. Okay, span geometry and segments. Okay, now first of all click on calculation option. In general, transversal reinforcement clear covers bottom this one, side this one and side this one. Okay, click on deflection calculation reinforcement change. If you want, after the calculation, if you want to change the calculation by clicking this one, you can change. If you don't click this one, you will not be able to change the reinforcement. I will show you after the calculation. Okay, click on concrete. This is my C30. These are the values. Longitudinal reinforcement I will use as a grade 40 and I will click on use longitudinal reinforcement number 16. Okay, click on transverse reinforcement, click on 420 and change this to use number 10. Okay, additional reinforcement, click on 420 and I will use as 13 and save it as beam. Okay, and then okay. After this, click on the reinforcement pattern. In general, span, single span, whole span, it means that the whole span it will calculate it as a whole span. I will go as a single span, minimum diameter 16 and so this is my general. You can change if you want. Bottom reinforcement, the number of reinforcement in bottom in N3. If you want to change or to add, you can. Where I will use it as a default top reinforcement, transverse reinforcement. If you want to stirrups, you can. These are the shapes change. If you want to add the length of the this curtailment bars for hooks, you can. Okay, click on this. Now go to result and calculate. After calculation, click on beam reinforcement. So these are the reinforcement. Click on this. You can see this is my beam. So you can check. So this is the table, main table, 16 number bars, 10 number bar, there is no additional bar. So I want to select, this is the number 16 bars, 3 in top, there is also 3 bars, 15, this is the stirrups. Okay, and transverse mean. Okay, now if I want to change this, you cannot change. Okay, set it to additional bar. Go to beam nodes. Just close this one and go to this. Okay, use it as a beam. Okay, and then calculate again. The freeze reinforcement option is switched on. The distribution of reinforcement bar has not been modified. You can see it cannot be modified. Okay. So capacity of bending ULS is not sufficient for span number 1, safety factor 0000, and also reinforcement does not satisfy minimum reinforcement required for a span of safety 0.00. Okay. You can also check capacity design. Capacity for bending in ULS is not sufficient for span number 1, safety factor 00. Capacity of bending in ALS is not sufficient for span. Okay. So go to beam view and go to calculation option. Go to stirrups. For a stirrups, 420. Okay. Stirrups distribution. If you want to change, and you can change. Add the value. This is the divan from support to first placement of stirrups. Change the value of DL, which is 00. I set it to 20 mm. Okay, and DR, use it as a 20. Okay, change the spacing S1, S2 and S3. Okay, I1 is the length, I2 is the this length from this support to these stirrups, L3, and same as it is. Okay, go to bar mean. I will use it as a 16 for 20 hooks. I set a 90-degree. Number of bar 2, 3, 4. I will use as a 3. Okay, and IA is the height of this bar containment. If you want IA, I will use it as a 50, 150 mm. Let's say 200. It's showing a this is the bar main. Okay, for top reinforcement 420 I will use it as also a 16 number. It has a 90 degree. Use the 3 number bars 0.55 and 0.55. Okay, 0.55 meter but okay. Additional top bars, I said it yes. Use number 13. Said it yes. Use number 13. Provide hook, I said this time no. If you want you can change. Okay and okay. Additional bars, bottom bars if required, I said use this one and use number 13. 420 no. Okay. The main division of main top bars I1 S1 SM this time no. Use the definition and click on OK. Click on OK. So you can go to reinforcement and check. These are the reinforcement. You can check main bar, transverse bar, main bar, top bar, and longitudinal for third run. Longitudinal for third run. Okay. Check this one. This is my main bar. There is no additional bar. Go to front and check the stirrups. You can see the spacing is maximum in a center and okay. There is additional bar or not? Yes, there is. Okay. Okay. Go to beam notes. It's no, it is okay. Span bottom top. This is the value. It's okay. My beam is ready now. Now go to view and go to select a new beam. This one and click on provided reinforcement. Okay, and close this one. Let's check and use it as a beam. Okay, and this one. Okay, and try to design and calculate. Yes, check beam notes. It's also okay. Beam reinforcement, and this is my reinforcement. Check and check. Okay. The spacing B is 0.30, C is 0.50, D is 0.30, and E is 0.50. Okay, this way you can design the beam. Now go to